Could you please tell me something about your hobby? Thank you very much, my dear sir, for giving me a beautiful chance to say something about my hobby. At first, I would like to say that everyone has a hobby. So I have also hobby. Having a hobby is a good thing for every man. I also have a hobby. My hobby is reading. I like reading so much. It is my favorite hobby. Reading books is a very good habit. My teacher and parents always tell me that reading is very important for children. We gain lot of knowledge and ideas through it. I always read easy books, story books, children books, newspaper, GK book, and everything in English. It improves the imagination and memory. I recommend everyone to develop a habit of reading. Reading books keeps a person happy and busy. It is good for our mental growth. I depend on reading to develop my language skill and vocabulary. Thank you, dear viewers, for watching.